In this video, I'm going to show you how to paste to all pages in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is find something you want to copy and paste to all pages. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use a random rectangle, which I'm going to position up here like this. And I'm also going to make this a bit thicker so we can see a bit better over here. There we go. That's going to be fine. Now, to actually paste to all pages, what you want to do here is very simple. As you can see, if I go to thumbnails over here, I have 3 of the same pages, and you'll be able to see that's going to get copied everywhere. So we can just go ahead and click on the thing you would like to copy and paste, right click it, and then down here at the bottom it's gonna say apply to pages. Click on that, and then from here you can just select the pages. Of course, you could do all pages, custom range, or whatever over here. I'm gonna just do all pages, and I'm gonna click on OK. And what that did over here, as you can see, I now have this pasted on all of these pages over here. So that's how to paste to all pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.